Hi everyone. So we're going to make a chick today. A baby chicken is a chick, and we are going to make one. So your mom and dad should have this paper. All right? So they can print it off for you. It's in the email, and then we can cut it out and we can make it. So this is what we're going to make today. Do they look pretty cool? So we only have yellow, so you can only make the yellow one, but it's still pretty nice. And this craft is actually kind of difficult, okay? It's kind of hard. So you might need your mom and dad to help you, okay? Moms and dads, maybe you can help the kids. All right, so you should have this paper. Sorry. This paper here. You should have this one already printed out and ready to go. I'm just going to show my display so I can show you guys something real quick. So you guys need to cut, alright? You need to cut it out, and you need to remember this. This is important, okay? You need to cut on the black lines as well. Do you see this black line? You need to cut that as well. I'll show you why in a moment. So you need to cut this black line, and this black line, and this black line. Alright. You need to make sure they're all cut. And then when you have it cut, we can begin folding it, okay? So we have scissors. You need your scissors. You guys need to cut it out now, okay? And then you will need glue. But first, go ahead and cut it out. You guys can stop the video. This is Teddy, remember? And Teddy needs you to stop the video, pause it, and then after you finish cutting, are you finished cutting? Now you can press play. Hopefully you finished cutting the chicken out. And now we can start folding the chicken, alright? We need to fold the chicken. Here it is, like this. And remember, you need to cut this part here, the black line. It's kind of hard, remember? So if you need your mom and dad to help you, don't be afraid. You can ask your mom and dad for help. And now you need glue. You need glue here, so I'm going to put my glue here on my paper so I can use my toothpick with it to apply the glue. I'm going to put that there, and then I have my toothpick. Okay. Alright. And this craft is, like I said, kind of hard, because I had a little bit of trouble with it too. Alright, so now you can go ahead and fold all the lines. Alright, you see all the lines? You can go ahead and fold them. So, we're going to bring this one up. So you see all those lines, the dot, dot, dot lines, okay, like this. You can go ahead and fold them. Make sure they're all a little bit folded. Fold. Fold like that. And make sure these little legs, they go out, okay? Not in, but out, all right? Towards the 2 and the 3, and fold them out, alrighty? And then you can keep folding on the creases. Keep folding on the creases. Fold, fold, fold. Alright, make sure they're all folded. And the orange beak, the beak here, you guys see the beak? You need to fold it out like this, okay? Not down, but out, like that. And then fold the beak down like this, alright? Because they will come together later, like this, okay? It's like a beak, like that. Alrighty? So it should look like this. You fold and crease on the fold on the creases. Alrighty. Okay, so now let's find our number 1, And we will glue, I believe, number 1 first. Number 1 is usually a good place to start. Alrighty, so we have our number 1 right here. And I'm going to put glue with my toothpick on my number 1. I'll let you guys see what I'm doing. So put the number 1 glue on the number 1. And it's gonna go right here, okay, on the side of the chicken. And then hold it down. Do it slowly, okay, guys? You gotta work real slow, because it's a difficult craft. You gotta go slow if you don't want it to be messed up. Mom and Dad, hopefully you can help. Okay, so you put the glue down. You see? So now it's already kind of looking like a chicken, isn't it? Alrighty. So we got 2 and 3. Where's 2 and 3? There's 2 and there's 3. So you take your glue and you put on the 2. And you take your glue and you put it on the 3. Put it right on the 3 on the glue. I mean on the 2 with the glue. Okay, and then you push these 2 down. Slowly, don't do it too quickly, okay? Please don't do it too fast, because then you might get glue on places you don't need the glue. And you don't want that. Alright, and you see the mouth, the beak of the chicken? So now we already have a nice little chicken forming. You see the chick? Isn't it cool looking? Alright, very good. So we need the number 4. And don't forget, these feet need to be out. Okay, if you haven't fixed it, you should fix it now, okay? Feet out, the beak out. So we have number 4 right here. Number 4. So we can put glue on the number 4. Number 4. Number 4 now has glue. My number 4 does. This is my number 4 with glue on it. So then you put down this part and put it right on the angle. This is the angle. You need to push down on the angle. Okay? Hold it down. Hold it down. Okay. Very good. Okay, you can keep that there. And now the last part. You need to put glue on this 5. Put glue on the 5. So I'm going to put glue slowly. I'm going to put glue on the 5. Alright. See the glue? Now I'm going to slowly put the last one down. Right there. Clean that glue off a little bit. Go real slow, okay, guys? This is teaching us to work real slow. Okay. And then there's 7 and 8. Okay, there's 7 and 8. So the 7 and 8 are right here on the bottom, alright? They help the feet push back like this. Alright? So you need to put, you see the 7. Maybe I can make it so you can see the 7. 7 here. You need glue there. And you need glue right here. Oh, not 7 and 8. Sorry. 6 and 7. 6 and 7. 6 and 7. So, let's add glue to the 6. And glue to the 7. And fold the legs down slowly, real slow, real slow. Put it down. Okay, very good. Now what do I have here? Is my chicken done? You guys see my chicken? My chick, I mean. Look, we've made a baby chick. Isn't that cool? It's a baby chick. And we know Easter is here and springtime is here when we see animal babies being born. So we made this chick because springtime is here. We have Easter this week. So I hope you guys liked making the craft. I'll try to do another one soon. And happy Easter. I hope you guys are having a nice week. Try to get outside while it's sunny in the nature maybe and relax a bit. Thank you guys for making this craft with me. If you are still trying to make it, you can go back and you can rewind the video and you can pause it and play it again. Okay, thanks guys. Bye-bye.